name is Mallory Hudson, and I'm currently serving as Miss Corvette City. I will be competing in the next Miss Kentucky competition, and I'm so honored to be completing this book reading for Warren County Public Library. When I was little, I participated in lots of events at the library, and now I'm an avid reader. My mom is a speech-language pathologist, and growing up, she would sing this phonics song to me. It is from Sue Dixon's Sing, Spell, Read, and Write program. Apple, ball, cat, and doll, egg, and fan, goat, and hand, inch, worm, jam, kite, and lamb, monkey, noodle, octopus, and poodle, quilt, and rail, snake, and tail, umbrella, vase. I'm almost through, see my happy face. Wagon, Xbox. Yarn, say, do you see a fox? See him in the zoo. I know my sounds, how about you?